Put a balloon in the drain of your bathroom and the result will not stop surprising you. Very few people know this wonderful tip, and once you do it in your bathroom, you will thank me for... The best of all is that this can be done only with the help of a balloon for parties. To begin, the first thing you should do is remove the metal cap that most drains have. We are going to reserve it, since we will use it later. Next, we take the balloon and lengthen it in this way. Now, with the help of a scissor, we first cut the lower edge of the balloon as I show you on the... We turn the balloon and cut the edge of the mouth in the same way. Once this is done, we take the metal grill that we had saved and place the balloon on all the edges. It forms a circle. Now I will explain to you what this is for. As time goes by and due to the accumulation of bacteria, it is very common that a fecund smell that the entire bathroom rises through the pipes. Many people use chemical products to eliminate the smell, but this is not the most recommended. The strong smell can affect health and at the same time can weaken the pipes, causing them to break, damage the structure of the home. When you place a balloon in the drain, when using water and it is passing through the mouth of the... Once it has finished crossing the water, it closes completely, thus avoiding that it raises the smell. This form is quite practical, cheap, and anyone can do it without spending so much. Another very common way to avoid those bad smells is with this other infallible homemade recipe I use every time I feel the respirator of the pipes. To make it, we take a bowl or glass container and add 500 milliliters of warm or preheated water. Then we add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Vinegar is an excellent ingredient to eliminate the bacteria that cause the bad smell. We will also add 2 tablespoons of sodium bicarbonate. This is ideal to clean the pipes inside and remove the particles stuck in it. And as a last ingredient, we will use a good jet of dishwasher detergent, since it will be of softening the mixture and enhancing the ingredients. We mix well until they are completely integrated. All we have to do is gently stretch the mixture in the drains where you know it smells bad and let act for an hour without using water. After this time, you can use water as usual. Do this mixture at least once a week and you will not have bad smell in the pipes again. Let me know below which of these 2 tips has been your favorite. And if this information was useful to you, send it to someone who can help you.